Welcome to Belief the Master, where we journey beyond the ordinary, unlocking the secrets of the universe to manifest our deepest desires. Today, we embark on a transformative adventure, one that will forever change your perspective on love and attraction. Imagine for a moment possessing the power to magnetize your dream partner, drawing them irresistibly into your orbit. Today, I'll reveal how this isn't just possible, it's within your reach. This technique, inspired by the profound teachings of Neville Goddard, isn't just another tip or trick, it's a paradigm shift. A shift that alters the very fabric of your reality, ensuring that the person you yearn for will crave your presence, yearning to be by your side, after just one application of this method. Why is this technique so revolutionary? It's based on a fundamental truth. The reality you experience is a direct reflection of your inner state, your self-concept. Change that, and you change everything. Your love life is no exception. Imagine wielding the power to become irresistibly attractive to your specific person, making them feel an uncontrollable desire to be with you. That's what we're diving into today. But first, a gift for you. I'm sharing a 14-minute meditation designed to solidify the end result of attracting your dream partner. When combined with today's technique, the effects are magnified, bringing you even closer to realizing your desires. Find the download link in the description below and prepare to be amazed by the results. Now, let's immerse ourselves in the wisdom of Neville Goddard. He taught us that by altering our self-concept, we set in motion a cascade of events that reshapes our world. This isn't just theory, it's a law of the universe. When you adopt a new belief about yourself, everything aligned with your old self begins to shift, making way for a reality that mirrors your new beliefs. So, how do we apply this to love and attraction? It starts with understanding that if your dream partner isn't with you now, it's likely because your current self-concept doesn't support that reality. But here's the empowering truth. You have the power to change this, to redefine yourself in such a way that not only attracts your dream partner, but compels them to adore you. Prepare to engage in a simple yet profound exercise. It requires only your willingness to embrace a new belief about yourself. Picture this, being so magnetic that your dream partner finds themselves drawn to you, not just by chance, but by the very laws that govern reality. This isn't fantasy, it's about to become your new truth. Let's begin. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and allow yourself to feel completely relaxed. Imagine every word I say is painting a new reality, one where you are the embodiment of attraction. Your dream partner is not just attracted to you. They are mesmerized, willing to move mountains just to be in your presence. Feel the truth in these words. You are irresistible. Your dream partner thinks of you constantly, their heart aching for your touch. They see you as their ultimate desire, someone they would do anything to be with. This is your new self-concept, and as you embrace it, watch how the universe conspires to make it your reality. Imagine for a moment that the universe is a canvas and your beliefs the brush with which you paint. Each stroke, powered by your convictions, colors your world in hues of love, success, and connection. Today, you've begun to repaint your canvas, focusing on the vibrant colors of love and attraction. But the journey doesn't end here. It's only just begun. In the realm of love, many believe destiny is written in the stars, unchangeable and predetermined. Yet, what we've explored today challenges this notion head-on. You are not just a bystander in your love life. You are the director, the scriptwriter, and the lead actor, a specific person drawn to you not by fate, but by the irresistible pull of your transformed self-concept, is evidence of your newfound power. Let's deepen this transformation. Visualization is a tool of unparalleled potency in the alchemist's kit. Close your eyes once more and envision the life you're creating. See yourself hand in hand with your dream partner, experiencing the warmth of their embrace, the joy of their laughter, and the depth of their love. This visualization isn't mere fantasy. It's the blueprint of your future reality, brought to life by the power of your belief. Your journey of transformation is both personal and universal. As you change, you don't just attract love, you become a beacon of inspiration for others. Your story, a testament to the power of belief, encourages others to embark on their journeys of self-discovery and manifestation. Remember, the key to sustained transformation and attraction lies in consistency. Like a garden, your beliefs require nurturing and care. Regularly revisit this exercise, reinforcing your new self-concept, and watch as your reality reshapes itself around your deepest desires. In the realm of manifestation and attraction, the universe serves as a mirror, reflecting not the world as it is, but as we perceive it to be. This concept, while simple, holds the key to unlocking doors to realities beyond our wildest dreams. Your journey towards attracting your dream partner, then, begins with a deep, introspective look into your own beliefs, thoughts, and feelings. It's about aligning your internal compass with the magnetic pull of love and connection. At the core of our being lies our self-concept, our beliefs about who we are and what we deserve. It is this self-concept that molds the clay of the universe into the life we experience every day. If you believe deep down that you are worthy of love, that belief acts as a beacon, drawing your dream partner towards you with the inevitability of the tides drawn by the moon. Consider for a moment the stories you've told yourself about love. Are they tales of missed connections and heartbreak, or are they epic narratives of love conquering all? The stories we tell ourselves shape our reality, crafting a script that the universe dutifully follows. The good news: you are the author of your story, and you can begin a new chapter today. Imagine for a moment a balloon tethered by strings to the ground. Each string represents a belief or pattern that holds you back from rising to the heights of your potential. The process of letting go is akin to cutting these strings one by one, allowing the balloon to ascend. As you release these ties, you free yourself to move closer to your dream partner and the life you envision. This act of release is not without its challenges. It requires courage, faith, and the willingness to step into the unknown. But remember, within you lies an infinite well of strength ready to be tapped. Trust in the journey, and know that with each belief you release, you make space for new, empowering truths to take root. As you let go of the old, you create room for the new. Cultivating new beliefs is like planting seeds in fertile soil. It's an act of faith, a declaration to the universe that you're ready for change. These new beliefs, nurtured by your attention and intention, will grow into the realities you desire. Visualize these seeds sprouting, reaching toward the sun, each one a manifestation of your new reality with your dream partner. With each day that passes, you water these seeds with your thoughts, your words, and your actions, aligning your outer world with the inner landscape of your desires. As you embark on this journey, it becomes more than just a pursuit of a dream partner. It's a journey of becoming. You're not just seeking love, you're embodying it. You become a living testament to the power of belief, a beacon of love that shines brightly, attracting not just a partner, but a reflection of your own essence. In every moment, choose to embody this truth. Let your actions, your words, and your thoughts reflect the love and belief you hold within. This alignment is the key to unlocking the doors to all you desire. As you stand on the precipice of change, gaze into the future with the eyes of a dreamer, but the heart of a believer. Embrace the version of yourself that knows, without a shadow of a doubt, that your dream partner is not just a possibility, but an inevitability. This version of you moves through the world with grace and confidence, a magnet for love and positivity. To embody this version of yourself, practice gratitude. Gratitude not just for the love that's on its way, but for the love that already surrounds you, the love of friends, family, and the love you have for yourself. Each expression of gratitude amplifies your vibrational frequency, tuning you into the frequency of love and attraction. Visualization is not merely an exercise of the imagination. It is the rehearsal of your future reality. As you visualize yourself with your dream partner, you're not just creating images in your mind, you're laying down the neural pathways that will guide your actions, thoughts, and feelings towards making this vision a reality. Spend time each day in this visualized world, feeling the emotions, hearing the laughter, and seeing the love in the eyes of your partner. This practice solidifies your belief in the reality of your dreams, making them as real to your subconscious as the world you see with your eyes open. Your transformation is not a solitary journey. As you change, you create ripples in the fabric of the universe, affecting not just your life, but the lives of those around you. Your belief, your transformation, becomes a beacon of hope and possibility for others, inspiring them to embark on their own journeys of self-discovery and manifestation. Consider how your journey can impact those you haven't even met. By sharing your story, you light a path for others, showing them that change is possible, that love is waiting, and that all it takes is a shift in belief. If you're feeling extra generous and want to support our channel, consider sending a super thanks by clicking on button right below this video or the three dots. It looks like a heart within a dollar sign. By clicking on it, you can choose to make a small contribution to our channel. Your contribution helps us to keep bringing you valuable content and fuels our passion for creating. We're grateful for your support and can't wait to see your super thanks messages. As we draw our journey to a close, I invite you to take a bold step forward. Embrace your new self-concept with open arms. Live each day as the person who has everything they've ever wanted because, in the realm of belief, you already do. Your dream partner, your transformed self, and the life you've envisioned are not just fantasies. They're the blueprint for your new reality. Remember, the universe is always listening, always responding to the call of your beliefs. Make your call one of love, of belief, of unwavering faith in the good that's on its way to you. Thank you for joining me on this journey of transformation. If this message has resonated with you, if you feel the stirrings of belief and change within you, I encourage you to like this video, subscribe to Belief the Master, and share this video with anyone who needs to hear this message. Together, let's create a world where love is not just a dream, but the reality we live every day. Keep believing, keep manifesting, and remember, in the canvas of life, you hold the brush. Paint your masterpiece with bold strokes of love, belief, and transformation. Until next time, stay inspired, stay believing. Let the power of your belief create a world of love and possibility.